Hello, this is Tom Cooley. Thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to be walking through some specific functionality that's built into CardPoint, the virtual terminal, and all the functionality you'll find within that tab. The virtual terminal, this is the place where you're going to come if you're a prompt user to specifically process any virtual credit cards you receive from insurance providers. You'll need to come here to type these credit card numbers in, as well as the expiration date, the name on the card, and the dollar amount of the transaction. Once you hit process, that transaction will be included in that day's batch total and deposited next business day, just like the rest of your transactions. And if you needed to see some additional reporting on transactions that are processed this way through the virtual terminal, you can come to the reporting tab and you can sort transactions based on the front end. So the API is everything that came through prompt, and you can sort by virtual terminal to show you any transaction that was processed specifically on that virtual terminal. So again, the virtual terminal, this is a great place to come for virtual credit cards. Second reason would be for any non-patient. So if you wanted to accept a payment from a patient, from somebody that's buying product off the street, that's not going to be affiliated with Prompt, you're able to come in here, type the credit card number in, same way you'd process a virtual credit card. Now, another thing to note, there in the customers tab, this is where you're actually storing the credit card data from your patients. So I know this is an option for you from the drop-down menu and prompt, but this is where the actual card data is being stored. So if a patient wants to have their card, doesn't want to have their card stored any longer, you can simply search for the last four digits of the card number. You can choose that card, and then you can delete the customer from here. Deleting them from here will also delete them from the prompt drop-down menu. You may have to wait for 24 hours for it to refresh, but this is where you're going to come to delete any cards on file. Billing plans, this is a function that enables you to set up a payment plan for your patients. Just keeping in mind that this is a function that sits outside of prompt, so you would need to manually post these payments. So you can search for the last four digits of the card number if you've got the card on file, or you can add a new card. And it's pretty basic functionality. You can set your start date. You can set the total number of payments. Let's say you want to capture 3 installments of $150, and you're done. So on these days, this card will be charged, and that money will be automatically deposited in your next day's batch total. And it'll be processed for 3 times. So if you do need to set up a payment plan, just know that you can do that from here. And again, so there's some additional reporting in the CardPoint backend. In regards to front end, you look for CardPoint billing for specific transactions that came through the billing functionality. So that's about it. The scheduled plan payments, that does show you any future payments you have with your billing plans, so you can predict what's coming in. But that's the virtual terminal, and tune in for other support videos on the CardPoint platform, and let us know if we can improve in any way. Thank you very much.